Hi, I'm Debbie. And another question that people often ask me about is having pain down there. And what we're talking about is pain when they're having sex. So what it kind of boils down to is people that come in to see me, they come in, a lot of them come in for pelvic pain. So if they're having pelvic pain, let's say they have pain in their, down there parts, lady parts, they have pain with their sitting, they have pain if someone touches them or if they touch themselves. And people, or maybe they're having spasming inside their vagina, right? So if they're having that, are they even going to want to have sex? Most of them, actually I think all of them, don't even want to have sex. Or they try to and then they have to stop because it's hurting too much. Okay, so we're going to just kind of break this down into a few simple parts. First of all, I'm going to say frankincense and lavender are really good for this part of relaxing the tissue. Okay, so either the pelvic floor muscles are too tight, sometimes they're too weak, but really you get one side too tight, one side too weak, and then they're imbalanced. Right? So aren't we always trying to bring balance back to our life? So these two oils will help do that because they're very, very relaxing for the body and they're also healing. So these two I consider just having these magical powers of healing. The lavender plant itself is just a super duper healing plant. And the frankincense tree, where the oil comes from, is part of the root chakra, right? And isn't the whole pelvic floor area about the root chakra? So those two oils for that. And it's really important to breathe. So when you're breathing, what happens, right? You're increasing circulation. So think about the pelvic floor muscles, breathing into them. Imagine the bones that you sit on, that they just float apart, right? So we want to give circulation to this part of the pelvis. And a good oil for circulation is cypress. I love cypress. I'm actually putting it on my legs every single day to increase circulation. And then the other oil is clary sage. Come forward, clary sage. And clary sage is really good for increasing lubrication. So you want to increase the circulation. By doing that, along with clary sage, you can increase the circulation, related to the hormones and endocrine system. Yeah, so give that a try, and and if you really love it, then you could just add it to your wish list.